welcome to the Cook for Your Life video channel, and today we're going to make something which I really love, and it's using a fish that is so good for us, and yet people find it difficult to eat. And these are sardines. Now what I'm using are just regular canned sardines. They're packed in oil, but I'm going to tip the oil out. I'm going to drain them before I use them. I'm going to be putting some more oil in there, but I don't want the one they've been sitting in. I want my oil. This is a fantastic pasta, which is kind of a Sicilian style pasta, which means that Sicily has all the flavors of Italy, but also of North Africa. So this will involve like raisins, pine nuts, lemon. It's just really delicious, and better yet, it's super easy to make. And this is a great way to get sardines into your diet. They actually have vitamin D. They're one of the few animal foods that do. They have a lot of calcium, thanks to all those bones, which a lot of people don't like. And they're just plain good for you. So first of all, I'm just going to start mashing. I haven't even started with this yet. So what's happening is all those little bones, which can be so pesky, they're just getting broken up and mashed in. Lemon zest. Okay. Some lemon juice. Keep mashing it in. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Now this is where I wanted to put my olive oil in, and not the one that was in the can. Now I'm going to also put in some fennel, but I just want to chop it a little bit first. This is, I don't want it to be powder, but this will just break this. The fennel really adds a fabulous dimension to the flavour. Fish, fennel and lemon are just a marriage made in heaven. Okay, put that in there. It's about 2 teaspoons. Now it's a little bit of saffron powder, sorry. You don't have to put this in, but saffron is a fabulously aromatic spice, and it just makes everything it touches totally delicious. A bit more olive oil in there. And the other thing I'm going to put in is, this is some water from the pasta. And what this will do is just loosen the mixture up a little bit. You don't need a lot, just until it's kind of a little bit saucy looking. Pasta water is great because it has salt in it, but you know, I'm making this with whole wheat spaghettini, so it also adds a lot of flavour. Okay, so now let's go over to the stove, because now it's time to cook. Now I bought these little raisins. I've just soaked them in hot water just to plump them up a little bit. I'm just going to drain these. Now this is the part that's really easy. And put in the oil. Now when that gets hot, I'm going to put in the garlic and also the pine nuts. So I just want these to just toast a little bit in the oil. I have to keep an eye on this because I actually don't want these things to burn, because pine nuts are quite delicate. I'm also going to put in the raisins. Now we're going to put in the sardine mixture. And now we're going to put in the pasta. These are whole wheat spaghettini, and I just cooked them just enough. So this is really fabulous. Cook them like a minute on the packet directions, because I know that I'm going to put them back in. Saffron, parsley, a touch of sweetness from the raisins. All balancing out the strong flavour of the sardines. Now, last but not least, now when you eat fish in Italy, you never put cheese on it. But in Sicily, they often put in dried just a little bit toasted breadcrumbs, which is what we're going to do here, because we mix those in. These end up giving a fantastic crunch. Those I just literally baked, tossed in a little oil and baked in the oven for like 6 or 7 minutes. And this is something that you can literally get to the table in 15 minutes.